installing the swing arm spools and also the engine oil cap, which I bought it online. They are pretty cheap, they cost me less than $20. So today I'll be installing them on my R6. Sometimes having black stock parts, it looks rather plain, dull and boring. In the market, there's a lot of aftermarket accessories which you can install on your bike. So the most common parts are the brake levers, bar ends, spools, and also mirrors. So these are the common parts. They are pretty cheap and affordable. So a lot of people will just install all these parts on their bike because they are cheap. And really excited about this. So I'll be installing them now. Let's get started. Wait. Intro video first. Today I will be replacing this engine oil cap and also the swing arm slider with a new one. When I bought this bike is already came with this swing arm slider, and there's some scratches here. So I believe the previous rider might have dropped the bike before. Anyway, we are going to replace this. Okay. To remove the bolt in the swing arm slider, you need to have a 5mm Allen key. Okay, so I've installed them on my bike. The brake spool and the brake engine oil cap looks very nice. Now my bike looks even better. And I can foresee in the near future I'll be removing my rear fender. I'll just install the tail light on my bike. Because the rear fender is so ugly, it's so bulky. So that's all for today's video. So if you like today's video, please give me a thumb up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and bye.